Welcome to Ferndale, Washington. We are at Shuksan Vans today. We spent the night last night in their parking lot. If you saw us on our last episode, you know that we were in California having the B2 rack put on by Owl Vans to install our monster box. So that was the first part of our storage problem taken care of. All the outside stuff is in there. And now we are addressing the second part of our storage solution. The last few days we've spent in Oregon with some friends and relaxed and had a nice time. And so today, here in just a little bit, we're excited to go get the rest of this taken care of, get the van good and organized for the rest of our travels.
Okay, I've just been calling this thing the dresser.
So
What is it actually?
it's the Shuksan Vans Dual Slide 180. It's a storage system that has a drawer, sliding drawer that comes in the cabin. Open couch. Couch would be right here. Then the back door, there's another one that comes out the rear. This would be an amazing storage solution because we have stuff piled everywhere, as you saw earlier. And I'm so excited for this.
Yes.
Molly panels on the rear, on the side, so if we want to store anything on the outside of the exterior of it, we can. So it's gonna be really cool.
All right, step one, remove all of our crap. Then we have to remove the mattress and open up the bed platform. Also, we realize that we've been saying Shuksan when, of course, this is pronounced Shuksan Vans.
This mattress is not the original mattress. It's big and it's really hard to take in and out, so it's gonna be a challenge. Hey, don't think I wasn't worried.
Yeah, that's a life-threatening fall at our age. Okay, the next step is finished. Chris installed these metal plates for the base of the system to sit on.
There, the whole thing, and just lift it up a little bit. That would be great. Oh, there you go. So much. Okay, now if we come down.
Okay, a few final touches and the system is in place. All right, and finally, the most exciting part. While all of this stuff is up here, we're gonna deep clean the back, and then we're gonna put it all away and get organized. We wanted to say a big thank you to Chris from Shuksan Vans. He was so kind and patient with us. He allowed us to stay in his shop and do all the cleaning and organizing that we needed. He even loaned us a vacuum and some tools. So thank you, Chris. We really, really appreciate it. And your drawer system is fantastic. Okay, we've just finished up at Shuksan Vans. We are now at Harbor Freight. We're getting the third part of our storage organization system, which is a bag for the kayaks so that we can mount those on the roof. So Albert's shopping and I am finishing up dishes. And then we need to find a place to camp tonight. And that's where we'll show you all of this amazing organization that we have in here that we are so excited about. We made it to camp. This is Panorama Point Campground in northern Washington by Baker Lake, or Lake Baker, I don't know which way you say it. But anyway, it looks really, really beautiful. Very excited. They had one last spot for tonight, so we snagged it. Love, love, love the moss. I think it's about 4 or 4:30, so and it's been pretty overcast all day, so not a ton of light in here, but it's beautiful. We're gonna have a campfire and relax for the evening, and then explore some more of this tomorrow.
So I'm trying to get this fire started so I can cook dinner, but it flames up, but then it just kind of fizzes out real quick. So today we're making one of our favorite camp dishes, Fideo Loco. I've made it multiple times on our videos. Basically, ground beef, Fideo, tomato sauce and spices with potatoes. Season with a little black pepper, a little salt. Okay, the meat is browned, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it aside. Put my little pot on. It's about a good tablespoon of oil. My Fideo noodles. I'm not gonna add them all because it's a smaller pot and it's just two of us. So, by the way, the fire didn't pan out. It just would not get hot enough. So here we are. I'm gonna toast these. They get golden brown. Coat them all with the oil. I think we're just about ready to put in our tomato sauce. Okay, it looks good to me. I'm gonna add about 1/3 of a cup of tomato sauce. I'm gonna add my spices. I've got garlic powder, onion powder, cumin. I'm gonna add my spices. I've got garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, a little smoked paprika, and Goya tomato seasoning. Right in there. I'm gonna add my water. I'm gonna add about 1/2 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I'm gonna add my ground beef back to it. And potatoes. Well, hot soup for what turned out to be a cold day.
Yeah. A little rainy, a little overcast. Kind of cool here.
All right. Here we have it. Soup cheers.
Soup cheers.
It's so good.
So good. One of my favorites. Yummy. We had a really quiet night. We slept really well. After that good dinner, we were out. Say good morning, babe.
Good morning. So we never really went over the additions that we added. We had this B2 rack by Vans added. What that did is that's able to mount our monster box. What the monster box is just a lot of storage for our outdoor gear. Anything we don't really want to put in the van, huh? But it's just our tools, our cooking gear, chairs, blower, anything that should be outside. And it's good size, and it's simple to organize and locks up. So puts a little weight on the back end of the van, but not much. So it's a really good addition, keeps things organized and uncluttered. So just added this dual slide 180 storage drawer. We had this installed yesterday, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. It's great. It's got a sliding drawer here, and we can add a lot more outdoor gear or stuff that could go inside or outside, or just whatever we don't use on a daily basis. It's a lot of storage. I believe it's around 54 inches long, and yeah, we love it. Now let's take you inside to show the rest.
Favorite part of these additions is the inside drawers. Look at all of this. It just keeps going. It came with dividers. There's several dividers, and you can choose where to put them. They just screw into the sides. We put just one in this drawer, so we have a his side and a her side. We have all of our clothes in here, and I have my shoes even on top. Amazing. So happy we got this. Yay! We are off to find our next spot. For the next several months, we are going to be staying here in the Pacific Northwest. So if you have some favorite campsites or places that we should go or things we should check out, let us know in the comments where we should be. All the links for campgrounds and all the gear that we showed will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We'll see you next time.